Hi guys, just doing a quick little tutorial here to show you how to publish a video from your Vimeo account directly to your Facebook page. To start off with, you need to be in your Vimeo account and go to the list of your videos by clicking up here. Once you come in here, you'll see all your videos listed, and if you hover over the one you want to share, this blue button over here will come up. So you click on share and then publish to social, and you'll get this little box that pops up. You just choose the account that you want to publish it to. Over here, by default, it will just be set to my wall, which is your personal profile wall, not your pages wall. So you just have to click on the little drop-down menu and select the page that you want to share it to. If you're an admin of a few other pages, they'll be listed as well, so just click the right one. Pop your description in the box here. This is what will be written above the video when you share it onto Facebook. You can put in a new title or leave the title as whatever you called it on Vimeo. Select your category and choose to do distribution everywhere. Once you've done all of that, you just click the next button and then it'll ask you if you're ready to publish, just to make sure that you're definitely ready. So then you click next, and it will save that, and then it will publish it to your Facebook page for you. So then come back to your Facebook page, and if you have a look here, it will come up and it should show you that the video is being processed. Usually that's what comes up. Let me just click on posts. And yeah, as you can see here, it's preparing the video. It's been sent over from Vimeo. And once the preparing has finished, then you'll have a native post on your Facebook wall to be so that people can watch your video, click on the link and go and see it. But it basically embeds it like as if you've uploaded the video directly to Facebook. So yeah, that's just a really quick way to be able to share videos to your Facebook page without having to upload it in multiple places. For myself, I find this really handy because my internet's a little bit slow, and so being able to just upload it in the one place to Vimeo means that I don't have to try and use up my internet allowance or get something to load, a few times. Once it's up here, you can see it says published by Vimeo. You can then click on edit post, and then you can go in here and you can change the thumbnail if you want. You can choose one of the automatically selected images, or you can usually upload a custom image from your desktop if you'd prefer, if you create your own thumbnails. I often do that just in Photoshop, but for this screencast, I'll just go with one of the thumbnails that Facebook is automatically generating. You can add captions or subtitles if you really want to. And yeah, you've got all the same controls as if you'd actually uploaded the video directly into Facebook yourself. So there you go, that's how you publish a native post.
Sorry, are you excited to go
Directly to Facebook from your Vimeo account.